If you are asking yourself in 2025, I want to break into AI, where do I start? You've come to the right place. Without a plan, most beginners burn out in 2 to 3 months, lost in random YouTube tutorials and GitHub repos they don't fully understand. So, we built a 6-month plan based on what's worked for 25,000 plus engineers at Interview Kickstart and shaped by the hiring insights of 700 plus FAANG instructors. Month 1, lay the foundation. Set your goal. Do you want to build, deploy, or manage AI products? Brush up Python and stats. They're non-negotiable. Your models are only as strong as your math. Then, start for free. Watch our most popular free masterclass, How to Build AI Agents from Scratch. It's practical, it's beginner-friendly, and yes, it's free. Month 2, learn the core concepts. Understand how models make decisions. Learn to measure performance, precision, recall, F1 score. Grasp overfitting, underfitting, and regularization. Tools? Scikit-learn, Kaggle datasets, Google Colab. Tip from experts. Don't rush to fancy models. Learn why they work, not just how. Months 3 and 4, apply it. Pick small real-world problems, spam classifier, movie recommender, churn predictor. Work with pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. Track experiments with MLflow. Tip, develop intuition for data. See how models behave with messy, real-world noise. Month 5, explore LLMs the right way. Don't jump straight into ChatGPT clones. Start with Hugging Face Transformers, then LangChain for LLM app chaining, and the OpenAI API. Tip from experts. The best LLM engineers, not prompt artists, they're systems thinkers. Month 6, build a portfolio that gets you hired. Start with your resume. You have 5 to 7 seconds to impress. Check your AI readiness score with our free analyzer, then combine everything into 1 to 2 strong projects. A semantic search engine using vector embeddings, a chatbot using retrieval augmented generation. Write clear readmes. Show your thought process. That's what hiring managers really care about. What FAANG hiring managers look for? You've shipped something real. You can turn business needs into ML workflows. You understand the limits of AI, not just the hype. As one of our instructors said, anyone can rap GPT. The best know why and when to use AI. If you want more, grab our free FAANG AI interview question bank. Links in the description. And if you're curious about Agentic AI, the systems that actually make AI useful in the real world, we've got a free webinar happening soon. Come learn how to build and deploy them even if you've never coded an AI before. Seats fill fast, reserve yours now.